Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing The Lakes by Taylor Swift. It's a very simple song, our usual basic chords, and that's what we're gonna do right now. Just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning and put your cap on fret number 2, okay? So the chords go like this for the verse, and the intro and everything else is just C to E minor, excuse me, and then we go to D minor, A minor, G. Okay, now if you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using, you can check out my chord video. If you can't find it on this channel, let me know. I will link it in the comment section. Otherwise, let's learn how to play it. C, E minor, D minor, A minor, C, E minor, and then we go to D minor, and then A minor. So that's your "Is it romantic how my elegies eulogize me?" C, na 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 na, E minor, and my strumming pattern is basically down 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 up up down up up 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 down down up up down down up up down up up down up up up, right? And then for the, I don't know if this is the pre-chorus or it's the chorus right after the verse, right, which goes "Take me to the lakes." The chords there go to E minor, and then okay, let's just play it together. Take me to the lakes where all the poor stand. F, A minor, G. Okay, so it's E minor, F, and then hold on a second. So it's different. The way you play it the first time is different from the way you play it the second time. So let me just give you all the chords at once. So it's E minor, F, A minor, G, okay? And then E minor, F again, G. I'm setting up, G again, okay? Then we're already back into the second verse. D minor, na 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 na. Okay, so there's that intro thing. Alright, let's do that part, and let me just check if there's like a transition in the song. Okay, so this is kind of like the bridge. Na 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 na. It's the same chords as your verse. Okay, so let's do the intro. Okay, so we're playing C, right? And the note here that we're trying to, okay, let me just show you the notes, and then you can bunch it up with chords if you want. So we're playing, this is the intro, 3rd fret of the 2nd string, sorry, 1st fret of the 2nd string, and then we go to 3rd, then open, and then we come to string number 4, sorry, string number 3, huh? Right, string number 4, 3rd fret, then this is 3rd fret of string number 5, and then 2nd fret of string number 4. Right now, if you didn't get that, you can just rewind to like get everything, but it's right. And then if you bunch it up with chords, it becomes C, E minor, and then F, A minor. Then take me to the place where F. That's the whole song, guys. And again, if you're not familiar with the chords, you can check out my chord video. It's on this channel. If there's any other songs that you need me to check out, preferably new songs that no one else has interpreted on the web, I will get to that. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.